It's the first big snowstorm of the season, 6 inches of heavy wet snow. No problem though, your snowblower laughs at storms like these. You unbury it from the back of the garage, pull the starter rope, and nothing. How can this be? It ran just fine when you put it away in the spring. Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you the 2 most common reasons that your snowblower won't start and how you can fix it. As with any small engine, there are many things that can prevent it from starting. It could be low compression, a bad ignition coil, a bad spark plug, maybe a plugged fuel filter. But from my personal experience, what I've found is the 2 most common things that'll keep it from running are bad fuel, a plugged carburetor, or a combination of the 2. First, let's focus on fuel. Gasoline has a short shelf life. Many small engine manufacturers suggest that fuel older than 30 days shouldn't be used. This includes gas sitting in a gas can. The fuel in your snowblower should smell fresh, like the smell of gas at the gas station. If it doesn't, it has likely gone bad. In the case of bad fuel, sometimes all you need to do is top off the tank with some fresh fuel and the engine will start. Often though, the bad fuel can cause other problems, which leads me to the most common reason your snowblower won't start, the carburetor. A problem with your carburetor is the most likely reason that your snowblower won't start. Fuel left sitting in the carburetor can plug it up or cause it to corrode. When this happens, fuel can't flow through the carburetor, which prevents the engine from starting. Once plugged, the carburetor will need to be cleaned or replaced.